I want to talk to you today about asylum law. The asylum law comes from the 1951 Convention for the Protection of Refugees, and that convention has been brought into law by the Refugee Act of 1996 in Ireland. Being a refugee must be a very traumatic experience, because one has to leave their home, their country, their traditions, the social life in which they grew up with, and their future. They have elected, out of sheer necessity and urgency, a new future of which they are totally unaware of, simply because they need immediate protection. It is understandable where a person is persecuted for a long period of time that they will develop a serious psychological disposition, and very unpleasant disposition, because their life has not been normal. This is all part of the consequence of persecution. Persecution because of your political opinion, your nationality, your race, your religion, your social, ethnic background, is not an acceptable type of thing to be tolerated in the Western world, but it does happen, unfortunately, very close to our homelands. Most people who arrive on our shores, having experienced years of persecution, are unable to relate precisely what it is they are running from, because that persecution has become part of their life for a long time, and normality is not apparent to them anymore. And that requires considerable assistance, considerable legal assistance too, for them to get some sort of redress. We specialise in asylum law and have done so for the past 25 years. We've represented people from throughout the globe, and we've experienced a lot of very, very difficult cases, a lot of very traumatized people who've had to leave their homeland because of such persecution. We would be very happy to sit down with you in absolute privacy and secrecy and discuss the matters that you wish to talk about. We have available psychologists, interpreters, and other social workers who can help you with the instructions that we need to bring a successful case for you. It is important that you know we're here, because when you arrive in Ireland, the first people that you will meet work for the state, for the government of Ireland, or agencies of the state, and you do not have initial access to private solicitors. When you come to see us, it will cost you nothing. It is important that you research and see who is available to you apart from the state agencies that offer you assistance. We promise that if you come to see us, we will examine your case in very fine detail. We will examine you in very fine detail to make sure that all the answers and all the issues pertaining to your life, pertaining to your persecution, will be discovered and detailed in any application you wish to make to a tribunal or to a court. It is important at the outset of any asylum case that you outline those details, because at a later stage it may be held to be incredible if you've left anything out. So I'll invite you to our office to discuss with us in complete privacy and complete protection your case. Whether you're signed up with any state agency or not, we are happy to discuss the matter with you and to give you advices free of charge.